Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order clothes from Pinterest. So let's get into the video. So open up Pinterest, and then if you have an account, log into your account, and if you want to purchase or look for clothes on Pinterest, so what you can do, you can simply search for the pin products on the search bar here. So if you want, for example, like a designer wear, so just search for some random designer wears. So and then once you find something, products that you're interested or you're looking for, so what I'm going to do, so simply just open it up. So for example here, just click on it. So this product here, so I'm going to get this item here. So mostly what you can do, if you open up the pinned products, then it will be linked to the direct seller's website, so wherever it's available from Pinterest. So for mostly it will be mentioned here, it will be linked here, so wherever this is available, or if you click on the picture here, you'll have the link that takes you straight to this to this merchant's place. So for example this one, if I hit on it, then it will straight away take me to this website here, where I can I'll be able to purchase this item from. So for example here, so if I click on this website, and then it will take me to the actual merchant's website. So from there, what you have to do, what you can do is you can simply make your purchase through the website. So for example, so when I click the link here, so it takes me to this merchant site here. So from here I can simply browse for the product, and then browse for the product and complete the transaction. So something like this here. So if I click on it, for example, if I click on this product here, so this is available on Walmart. So what are you going to do, you're going to hit on this link here, it will take it straight to the merchant's site. So either on this link here, or you can click on the link here. So this will take you directly to the product where you will be able to purchase this product. So it gets to this Walmart site, it's linked, and then you'll see the price and all the other details here. So all you have to do now is, like all other marketplace or e-commerce site, just select your make your preferences, and then your shipping address and everything, and then just hit on add to cart and then complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you